YIC Yoga Instructors Course. Topic: Streams of Yoga. The entire philosophy behind yoga can be broadly classified into four streams. Swami Vivekananda puts them as work, worship, philosophy, and psychic control. They can also be referred to as Karma Yoga, is about selfless action without an attachment to the results. Bhakti Yoga is an attitude of total surrender and love. Gnana Yoga is the path of philosophy. It deals with the intellect and self analysis. Then, Raja Yoga is the practical approach to reach higher states of consciousness. The special contribution of Swami Vivekananda is that all streams of yoga lead to the same goal. He said, do it by work, Karma Yoga, worship, Bhakti Yoga, philosophy, Gnana Yoga, or psychic control, Raja Yoga, by any one or two or all of these and be free. Now we are knowing about Raja Yoga. Swami Vivekananda has rightly said, man is the maker of his own destiny. As we journey further, difficulties and hurdles crop up at every step. Techniques needed to systematically channelize our willpower to solve these problems form the core of Raja Yoga. उद्धरेदात्मनात्मानं नात्मानमवसादयेत् आत्मैव ह्यात्मनो बन्धुरात्मैव रिपुरात्मनः. Let a man raise himself by his own self. Let him not debase himself, for he is himself his friend, himself his foe. Raja Yoga is the path of willpower. From Patanjali's Ashtanga Yoga, we have Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayama, and Pratyahara, which are Bahiranga Yoga. Dharana, Dhyana, and Samadhi, which are classified under Antaranga Yoga. Let's see Bahiranga Yoga. बन्धुरातात्मनस्तस्य येनात्मैवात्मना जितः अनात्मानस्तु शत्रुत्वे वर्तेतात्मैव शत्रुवत्. To him who has conquered his self by the divine self, his own self is the friend. But to him who has not subdued the self, his own self acts as the foe. शुचौ देशे प्रतिष्ठ्याप्य स्थिरमानसमात्मनः नात्युच्छ्रितं नातिनीचं चेलाजिनकुशोत्तरम्. Having firmly fixed in a clean place, his seat neither too high nor too low, and having spread over it the kushagrass, a deer skin, and a cloth one over the other. अपाने जुह्वति प्राणं प्राणे पानं तदा परे प्राणापानगतिरुद्ध्वा प्राणायामपरायणाः. Let others offer as sacrifice the outgoing breath in the incoming, and the incoming in the outgoing, restraining the flow of the outgoing and incoming breaths, solely observed in the regulation of the life energy. युक्ताहारविहारस्य युक्तचेष्टकर्मसु युक्तस्वप्नावबोधस्य योगो भवति दुःखः. For him who is moderate in eating and recreation, temperate in his action, which is regulated in sleep and wakefulness, yoga becomes the destroyer of pain. तत्रैकाग्रं मनः कृत्वा यतचित्तेन्द्रियक्रियः उपविश्यासने युञ्ज्य योगमात्मविशुद्धये. Sitting there on his seat, making the mind one-pointed and restraining the thinking faculty and the senses, he should practice yoga for self-purification.